Write down. Probability of getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 equals to what? What is the answer?
Sir, it is probability of it is equal to 1.
Answer is
1.
you're absolutely right. You're a real genius. Answer is 1. Write down answer equals to 1. Now the question is why the answer is 1? Because it is a universal truth. A die has 6 faces and the faces are numbered as by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. If you throw a die, then you will get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Am I right? Is it
Yes,
or
sir.
not? You will get any of these one, any of these 6, you will get any one of these 6, right? Now you have done the math orally. Now how you will do the math? You see is equal to, what is the probability of getting 1? 1 by 6, or means addition. Getting 2, 1 by 6. A die is thrown. What is the probability of getting 2? 1 by 6, right? Are you getting me? Getting 3, 1 by 6. Getting 4, 1 by 6. Getting 5, 1 by 6. Getting 6, 1 by 6. So if we get 6 LCM, then we will get 6 by 6. That is answer 1. Now the question may be arisen. Actually, have you got that probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6? Do you agree with me or not?
Agreed, sir.
Because you see, getting 2, that means suppose it is an event. Suppose getting 2, it is an event. It is A, suppose. So A equals to 2. So number of A equals to what? Can you please let me know? Number of A equals to what? It is 1, right? Number of A equals to 1, right? And NS, number of total outcomes. NS equals to what? 6, right? So what is the formula? NA by NS. What is the formula? N of A by N of S. N of A equals to what? 1. And N of S equals to what? 6. Have you got it? The probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6. 2 is only one event. I mean, one favorable event. Probability of getting 3 in this way is 1 by 6. I have seen too many students, if a question is given, what is the probability of getting 4? They write 4 by 6. No, it is 1 by 6. Okay? 4, that means what? Number of A is 1. 4 is only one event, okay? Favorable event. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are not doing any math on dice. I am going to do some maths on coin. Dice are normally thrown, but coins are normally tossed. So what I'm going to write down? A coin is tossed. Okay, write down. A coin. A coin is tossed. Okay. Actually, a coin has two faces, right? One is called, can you tell me? One is called head,
Head, tail.
and the other is called tail. Okay. There are too many puns on this head and tail. I am not going to uh, tell you that. Anyway, head and tail. A coin is tossed. Question is that probability of getting a tail or a head or a tail equals to what? What is the probability of getting a head or tail? A tail.
1.
Definitely 1, because if you toss, definitely you get head or tail, right? So it is a universal truth. So its answer is also 1. How does it come? A head, I mean, you just let me know. N of S equals to what? N of S total outcomes. Total outcomes 2, head and tail, right? Is it?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the probability of getting a head? Getting a head is 1 by 2. Getting a tail is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to what? 1, right? Half plus half equals to what? 1. So this is a coin, but we have a long discussion on coin. All of you please pay attention and do what I am going to do according to my own. A coin is tossed 4 times. Very, very important. How does it come? A coin is tossed 4 times. Draw the probability tree. Write down. A coin is tossed 4 times. You have to draw the probability tree. Now, I have given you a new name. What is that probability tree? What is meant by this? You see, suppose it is unbiased, okay? Neutral coin. I mean, when you will toss it, you will not see the uppermost, it is head or tail, okay? There will be no partiality during tossing the coin. No partiality. That is, it will be unbiased coin. So, how to do? You write down, you take a, hold the page, you write down there. Here you write down like this, in this way. In this way, huh? And write down backside of a coin. It is written backside because you don't know what is written. For this, normally it is written backside. Back, write down as I am writing backside of a coin, because you don't know the what is the backside. Though we know backside will be head or tail. backside of a coin. If I throw a coin for the first time, I have written 4 times. For the first time, if I throw it, what I will get? I'll get, let me know. I'll get head or tail. Talk to me. I can get head or I can get tail. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, suppose I have tossed a coin and I have got head. Suppose I have got head now. Now you see, if I take that head and if I again toss, then what I will get? I'll also get head or tail, right? Is it? Suppose for the first time I have got a head and taking that head, I have again tossed. So I'll get head or tail again, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
suppose in this case, I have got only head and I have tossed it, then I'll also get head or tail.
স্যার তাহলে তো যে যে এই
Oh,
কয়েন ইজ টসড 4 টাইমস স্যার একসাথে টস করতে হবে না
now,
সাইমালটেনিয়াসলি
is it possible to toss at a time a coin 4 times?
না স্যার মানে একবার করার পর ওইটা দিয়ে ওই কন্ডিশনে আসবে
Right, right. Suppose I have got now head, and if I toss it, then I will get head or tail. When I have got tail, then if I toss it, I will get head or tail. Suppose this head, it is head and it is tail. In the same way, it is head or it is tail. In the same way, it is head or tail. In the same way, it is head or it is tail. So what will I do? I have not done it yet. So what will I do? This is head. I have to mark like this. I have to mark like this. Mark like this. I have to mark like this. In this way, I have to mark it. Head. In this way. Okay. Now, when for the first time I have got head, then it is. But, oh, okay, I have to write here, write down. It is first time tossing. First time tossing.
স্যার কিন্তু এত বেশি একটা পৃষ্ঠায় আঁকবে কেন
So, of course, I am doing it. You have to practice it at home again and again. Second time tossing. Second time tossing. This is the third time tossing. And this is fourth time tossing. Okay. So we have 4 times tossing. Okay. Now, when I have got tail, then in the same way, we have to go. it is head or it is tail. Or we have to get like this. It is head or tail. It is like that, head or tail. Okay. In the same way, we have to get head or tail, head or tail, head or tail, head or tail. Now, like the previous one, you mark it in this way. This is okay. Now, if you consider it as the root of a tree, suppose it is the root of a tree, and if you just rotate 90-degree, rotate, okay, anti-clockwise, then you will see it is a tree. Can you consider it as a tree? Considering this as the root, this is the stem, okay, and these are the branches. If you rotate anti-clockwise 90-degree, then you will see that it is a tree. I have seen too many students drawing this figure like this, in this way, in this way. It is also possible. Have you got me? In this way. You can also draw like in this way, okay? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
In this way, you can also draw it. In this way, you can also draw it, okay? Or you can also draw taking this at the bottom, and this will be, top. So there are three ways to draw a probability tree, and we are done here. If you can draw it successfully like this one, you will get 4 marks out of 4. You see, it will be in one line. It will be in a line. This 4 will be in a line. This 2 will be in a line. It is not that this head is here and this tail is there. No, not that. Okay. You must maintain the line. So what others do you know? They just draw a line at first here and they write down head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, the head, tail. They write down. Then they draw it again another line, another line, another line. Actually, they at first draw the lines. Then they just join the lines, points. Anyway, perhaps you have got it. And it depends on practice. Is it okay? Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to show you something. For first time tossing, what we have got? Can you please let me know? For first time tossing, you just write down here. First time, write down first time. What you have got? If it is the sample space S, then what you have got? Can you please let me know? For first time tossing, what you have got? Only head and tail, S and T. So we can write it like this. Only for first time tossing, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. For second time? For second time, let me know. This is the first time. And for the second time, let me know. What you have got. Can you let me know, please? For second time. You see, please pay attention. Head, head. You see how I am going to count. Head, 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 head. Then head, tail, head, tail. Then you see tail, head. Write down tail, head. Okay. Then it is tail, tail. It is tail, it is tail. So we are done for the second time tossing. Okay. Now you see for third time tossing. Third time. Third time tossing. S equal to. Let me know. Who can tell me? Can you let me know, please? You see head, head, head. For third time we are getting. You see again for third time. Head, head, head. Okay. So we are getting head, head, head. Then we are getting head, head, tail. Head, head, tail. Head, head, tail. Okay. Then we are getting head, third time tossing. Third time tossing. Probability of getting, write down 3t. Let me know. 1/8.
1/8.
Answer is
So 1/8.
not getting 3t. If it is told not getting, then at first you have to find getting. Getting 3t is 1/8 and maximum value is 1. So 1 minus 1/8.
7/8.
Okay. Let me know. So previous answer and this answer won't be same. Have you got me? Just for only one mistake, you have to sense. Probability of getting 2t. Let me know. 2t.
So 3/8.
2t. That means 1, 2, 3. You are absolutely right. 3/8. Okay. Probability of getting 2 is, let me know. It will be also the same. 3/8. Right? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Number 6, probability of getting at least 2t. At least 2t. That means the 3 t's may be there. 1, 2,
The
3,
answer is half.
at least 2t. At least 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you seen what you are getting here?
So 4 by 8 half.
4 by 8. That is half. Number 7, probability of getting at least 2 heads. Count it. 2 heads, at least 2 heads. That is, there may be 3 heads. So 2 heads. This
The
is
answer
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We have got 4. So our answer is 4 by 8. And that I told you. Can you remember, please, what I told you? Okay. The same answer. Probability of getting at best 2t. Let me know. At best 2t. Let me know. At best 2t means what? That means 0t. 3, 4,
7 by 8.
5, 6, 7. We are getting 7. 7 by 8. Answer is 7 by 8. Okay. Now let's try for probability of getting at best 2 head. Let me know.
So 7 by 8.
Yes, you're right. 7 by 8. What is the answer? Can you please let me know? Not getting head only one time. There is no head here. There is no head here. Have you seen? Is it okay? Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
For 2 times tossing. Okay. Let me know. Number one. One head. Let me know. One head. What is the answer? For 2 times tossing, what is the probability of getting one head?
Sir, 2 by 4.
One head means what? We are getting one head, right? So answer is 2 by 4. That is half. Probability of getting at least one head equals to what? Can you please talk to me? Probability of getting at least one head. At least one head means what? One head and two heads. So it is at least one head.
So 3 by 8.
3
So
by
3
4.
by 4. 3 by 4.
So we are getting 3 by 4. Number 3, getting at best one head. Let me know. One head and zero head, right? So we are getting, you see, at best means what? Zero will be countable. One head, at best one head, not two heads. At best one head. This is one, this is one, and this is zero head. So our answer will be 3 by 4. Okay. Now I can give another 3 questions. It is number 4. It is number 5. It is number 6. Just here it is tail. And we will have the same answer. Please, you try to understand. I have given you another 3 questions. Just for head, I have written tail. Okay? Is it or not? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, question number 7. For second time tossing. Who can answer it? What will you do? Let me know. Getting ahead. Do this math. Probability of getting ahead. What is the answer? Getting ahead. That means 2 by 4 is equal to half. It is one question. It is not two questions. And remember one thing, if anywhere it is written not, then you have to find at first yes. So find out getting a tail. Two by 4 half. Okay. Therefore, probability of not getting a tail. Not getting a tail. What I told you, if there is written not, then what will you do? You have to subtract from 1. 1 getting a tail, half. It is half. But what is the question? The question is probability of getting a head and not a tail. If it is OR, then it will be addition. But for AND, it will be multiplication. That means getting a head, you see, getting a head, our answer is getting a head. Our answer is what? Our answer is half. For AND, it is the sign is multiplication. Not a tail. It is not a tail. Not a tail is also half. That is half. So it is 1 by 4. This is the math, how you can do a math. Okay. This math is given in the book, question number 17A. This math is given. And every student mistakes this math. They don't do it. Now, actually, I am going to show you the practical experience. I mean, you see, what is written here? What is written here? You see, getting a head and not a tail. Getting a head and not a tail. You see, not a tail. That means here there is a tail, tail, tail. So we are left with only one, right? Talk to me. Getting a head, not a tail. So where there is tail, 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 you forget tail. So 3 are omitted. So we are left with only 1, right? So 1 by 4, number 1. Number 2, you see, it is a coin. Suppose it is head, it is tail, it is head, it is tail, it is head, it is tail. What is told here? Getting a head. That means not T, getting a head. So I am going in this direction to get head. After this, not tail. Very good. It is tail, so I'll not go there. This, only this part is our answer. That means we have the answer of this part. Only this part is our answer. Getting a head, not tail. So head, I have gone again to head, not to T. So it is one part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 by 4. Have you got it? So our answer is right.